Good morning, students. Today we discussed the topic logarithmic differentiation. Okay, logarithmic differentiation. So, in this content, discuss that if a function in the form of the number of the product of or quotient of number of functions, that means if it is in the form of y equal to f1 of x into f2 of x into f3 of x into up to so on some fn of x. Okay, suppose in this form, or y equal to f1 of x into f2 of x into f3 of x up to so on some fn of x by some g1 of x, g2 of x, g3 of x, like this. Suppose gn of x, suppose the function is in the form, or suppose the function is in the form of y equal to some f of x whole to the power of g of x, that means function power function, or otherwise suppose n product of n functions, product of n functions by, okay, that means in the, okay, division form, like that. Okay, suppose the given function is in this form, then in this case we are using the logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so in these three forms, any form is there, to find the dy by dx, that means the derivative of this function. Okay, we have to use the logarithmic differentiation, logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so we will take some problems and we have to solve that by using. In this, first we have to know some logarithmic formulas. Already we know that, just we have to revise that. Suppose log of ab, two functions are there, log a plus log b, log of a by b, log a minus log b. Okay, so log of a power m, m into log a. Okay, so like this. Okay, we have to use the main. Okay, we are using this type of formulas and some more formulas are also there. Okay, right, so we have to, mainly we are using this type of formulas. Okay, now I will take some problems and I will solve the problems by using logarithms. Okay, so I'm taking the first problem, y equal to x plus 1 whole square by x plus 2 whole square into, here I'm taking the whole cube, into x plus 3 whole to the power of 4. Okay, here we have to find the dy by dx, find dy by dx. Okay, so this is our question. You just observed here. Suppose if we are using the u by v formula, this value whole square like this, that means internally we have to use the uv formula. Okay, and we are getting the more steps. So that's why in this case, suppose if you observed that in the numerator also some functions are there, in denominator also some functions are there. So I'm taking that y equal to solution, y equal to x plus 1 whole square by x plus 2 whole square whole cube into x plus 3 whole to the power of 4. So apply logarithm, that means base e. So log y equal to log of x plus 1 whole square by x plus 2 whole cube into x plus 3 whole to the power of 4. So log of x plus 1 whole square minus log of x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3 whole to the power of 4. Okay, so here I am taking that log of x plus 1 whole square. Here log of AB means log A plus log B, but here we are having the minus into plus minus log of x plus 3 whole to the power of 4. Now log of a power m, 2 into log of x plus 1 minus 3 into log of x plus 2 minus 4 into log of x plus 3. Okay, so this is the log y value. Here differentiate with respect to x. So log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx. 2 into log of x plus 1 differentiation is 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 1 differentiation is 1 plus 0, that means into 1, minus 3 into log of x plus 2 differentiation is 1 by x plus 2 into x plus 2 differentiation is 1, minus 4 into log of x plus 3 differentiation is 1 by x plus 3. Okay, this total into 1. So dy by dx equal to, I am taking the y that side, so 2 by x plus 1 minus 3 by x plus 2 minus 4 by x plus 3. Okay, so in this place, what is the y? Already we know this. Okay, you just write down this value or you just put like that only, there is no problem. Okay, if you are having the interest, just write down in this place y, our problem, and same functions here. Okay, so we will get the differentiation very easily if we are using the logarithms. Understand, if we are using the logarithms, we can solve this problem very easily. Okay, suppose if you are having the interest, in this place, in the place of y, you just write down this total function as it is and into bracket of this total value. Okay, there is no need to solve. Okay, if you are having the interest, you just go, otherwise you just put like that only. Okay, so like that we can solve the this type of problems by using logarithms. Understand? Right. So now I am taking the next problem. I am taking the next problem. Y equal to x square plus 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 into sine cube of 2x into 2 to the power of x square, 2 to the power of x square. So here we have to find the dy by dx. Okay, so you just observed here one function, second function, first function, second function, third function. Okay, if you are having the interest, you just use the UVW formula. Better here I am using the logarithms. Okay, so y equal to x square plus 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 into sine cube of 2x into 2 to the power of x square. So apply log. Okay, already I told that some n functions are there. Okay, if you are feeling that it is very critical, that means f1x into f2x into f3x up to so on like that. Okay, so already we know that at that condition we are using the logarithms. Log y equal to log of, okay, total functions x square plus 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 into sine cube of 2x into 2 to the power of x square. So log of x square plus 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus log of, okay, sine 2x, here I am taking whole cube, in plus log of 2 to the power of x square. Already we know that log of a to the power of m is m into log a. Okay, I am using that formula. Here also 3 into log of sine of 2x plus x square into log 2. Log 2 is the constant. Now here differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx equal to 3 by 2 into log of x cube plus 3. The differentiation is 1 by x square plus, okay, x square plus 3 into x square plus 3 differentiation is 2x plus 3 into log of sine 2x differentiation is 1 by sine 2x into sine 2x differentiation is cos 2x into 2x differentiation is 2 plus log 2 is the constant, x square differentiation is 2x. Okay, here I am taking the final steps. Here 2 get cancelled. So if I want to take the dy by dx, I am taking the y into this total function. Okay, so 3 into x. So in the numerator I am having the 3x by x square plus 3, x square plus 3. Okay, 3 into 2 plus 6 into cos 2x by sin 2x. If you are just to take the cot 2x plus 2x into log 2, 2x into log 2. Okay, so if you have the interest, in the place of y you just write down that the total function. Okay, so this is our solution. This is our solution. I am just writing here 6 into cot 2x plus 2x into log 2. Okay, log 2 is a constant. Okay, right. So in the place of y you have to write down the total function. Okay, that will gives the dy by dx value. Okay, otherwise you can take the uv w formula also, it will give the some large steps. Okay, this will gives the, okay, easily you will get, yeah, you will get the solution very easily. Okay, the only thing is here I am not writing the y value. Okay, if you are having the interest, in the final step you just write down this total value into, okay, this total function. Understand? So right, and I am just taking the another problem. Y equal to sin x to the power of tan x plus cos x to the power of cot x, cos x to the power of cot x. We have to find the dy by dx. Okay, you just observe here in the solution, let u equal to sin x to the power of tan x and v equal to cos x to the power of cot x I am taking. That means y equal to u plus v. You can take the another values also, a plus b also. Okay, that is your choice. In this problem I am taking uv. Okay, no problem, u plus v. That means what is the dy by dx? Du by dx plus dv by dx. I am taking, this is the first equation. That means here we have to find the du by dx, dv by dx. U equal to what is that? Sin x to the power of tan x. Okay, so apply log, because some f of x function power g of x, apply log u equal to, okay, log of sin x to the power of tan x. So tan x into log of sin x, this is the log u. Okay, so differentiate 1 by u into du by dx equal to, here I am using the uv formula, tan x into, okay, log of sin x differentiation is 1 by sin x into cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Okay, so one differentiation is completed. Now I am taking that log of sin x, I am not doing anything. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. So cos by sin, cot into tan, 1 plus secant square x into log of sin x. Okay, here I am taking that du by dx equal to, here u into, u means what is that, sin x to the power of tan x into, what is that, 1 plus secant square x into log of sin x. Okay, so this is the du by dx. I consider this is the equation 2. Okay, next I am taking the v function. What is the v? V equal to cos x to the power of cot x. Okay, apply log, because f of x power g of x model, log v equal to log of cos x to the power of cot x. So cot x into log of cos x. So log v, differentiate 1 by v into dv by dx. Okay, so here we are using the uv formula, cot x into log of cos x value is cos x, cos x differentiation is minus sin x, plus, now I am taking that log of cos x, I am not doing anything. Cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x. Okay, you just observed here, here minus sign is there, here also minus sign is there. If I am taking the minus sign common, sin x by cos x, tan x, that tan x into cot x, it will becomes 1. Already I am taking the minus common, here minus already I am taking the common, 1 plus cosecant square x into log of cos x. Okay, so here I am taking the dv by dx, I am taking the v this side. Okay, so what is the dv by dx equal to minus, what is the v? Cos x to the power of cot x. Okay, cos x to the power of cot x into 1 plus cosecant square x into log of cos x. Okay, this is the 3. Suppose add 2 plus 3, then du by dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, right, so you just write down this value and this value, you just add, because here we are having the minus sign, here also you are having the minus sign only. Okay, suppose if you write the total equations at once, you will get the dy by dx. Okay, these type of questions also we are having in a state board, objective, etc, etc. So the model is same. If function power function is there, we have compulsory we have to use the logarithmic differentiation. Okay, these type of problems we are having in our textbooks. Okay, just practice that, you will get easily. Okay, so in that 3 cases we are using the logarithmic differentiation. Okay, right, thank you.